It is the best car I've had on the channel up until now.
Wow, Audi, take a bow. Absolute belter of a car, man. I love it. Audi R8, I love you. I bet all you Audi fans are buzzing at you.
Yes, my people, what is going on? Welcome back. It's not an ordinary video, this one. As you can see, it is the best car I've had on the channel up until now. The Audi R8 V10 Performance, ladies and gentlemen. Finished in Camora Grey. It's not just an R8, it's the V10 Performance that pushes out 600 brake horsepower and 560 Newton meters of torque. With that 7-speed dual clutch S-tronic transmission. I cannot wait to get out in this thing. Cannot wait. We've got the perfect day for it. It's a convertible. I've even got the funky outfit on. I thought I'll switch it up, guys. I normally always wear my tracksuits and that, but yeah, a bit dressed up today, a bit smart wear. Sometimes got to do up smart. Well, when it's an occasion like this, then come on. Let's have a walk around, cameraman. As you can see, the front of the car, beautiful. The curves, creases, honeycomb grille, matrix, LEDs. Wow, and look how low it is. Well, when I'm in the car, I'm sat like here, on the floor, like a go-kart. Perfect. And what I like is, I don't know if this car has been lowered or not, if this is factory. I presume that this is how they come out of the box. No gap, we love to see it. Nice and low. The side profile, 1010. Wow. Obviously Pilot Sport 4Ss. Come on, gotta have those proper tyres on. No gap. Again, lovely to see. And then you come to the rear end, guys. Wow, just check it out, man. Absolutely incredible. Carbon fiber dripped rear lip spoiler. Then you've got the magnificent V10 engine under here. This car shares its engine with its brother, the Lamborghini Huracan. Yeah, 5.2 litre. We'll get to it. And then on the inside, what a beautiful place to be. Lovely steering wheel, flat bottom, start engine stop, click of a button, and you're igniting that roaring V10 engine in the back. Exhaust note with the roof off goes right through you. I can't really complain. The seats are nice, they're comfortable. When the roof is on, my head does sort of touch it, but that's because I've got a big head. People who have a smaller head, they'll be all right. But yeah, other than that, guys, oh, it's incredible, man.
The only other supercar I've driven is the Huracan. Both cars have had the same engine. However, this is meant to be more of a comfortable drive. So let's see, we're about to find out. Let's just get straight cracking on with it, man. Excited, man, excited. You know, the best thing about a convertible and the engine being at the back and having 10 cylinders is this. Magnificent. We do have a soft limiter. If only we could rev it all the way out, but still sounds fruity. And when we do get on those B roads, you'll be able to hear it properly when we take it through the full 8,000 revs. Oh yeah! When the sun does come out in the UK, it's a different country, isn't it? But what a day it is today, man. Right, first things first, guys, I'm gonna leave the car in comfort off the bat. So much more comfortable than a Lamborghini Huracan. Nice and smooth. You don't feel the road as much. Obviously, we don't have the best of roads in the UK. But yeah, it's nice, it's absorbing it nice. We have comfort, auto, dynamic, individual, and then we have the performance mode, as this is the performance variant that engages the astonishing S-tronic gearbox into manual mode. Straight to first. that was just a little tickle. Oh my days. I think the peak torque distributes around 6,500 revs. Is where you get that full 560 newton meters. Oh my god, is that quick? I've not even gone into dynamic, guys. I've gone straight into the full performance mode. Why not, man? That engine, oh, you don't need no music. Wow, this car is incredible, honestly. I've got... I'm struggling to find the words to comprehend the behaviour on this, man. Wow, what an absolute animal. For those people that know me know how much of a BMW advocate I am. Listen, I'll put my hands up. One thing BMW doesn't have is a supercar. Now, you Audi fans can take that W, because I tell you what, this R8 is incredible, man. They did say that they were going to stop the production line on these R8s, but they are bringing out another one, which is going to be 1,000 brake horsepower with an electric combined engine. It's good Audi have come back with the R8, because listen, what a car it is. The looks, the performance, comfort. You could daily this car every day. Look now, put it back into comfort. You can just cruise around nice and easy. You can put your grandma in this car, granddad, cruise around, chill, nice and easy, and then, you know, when you want to have a little play, click of a button, drop it. You can't get enough of that noise. Wow! Does it get better than this? Can it get better than this? Beautiful nature, countryside roads, the roof's off, so there's no barriers of that engine noise going straight through my eardrums. It'd be crazy to think what a D-Cat would sound like on one of these. Oh, imagine that. I mean, out of the box it sounds crazy as it is. Let's see it dynamic. Dynamic is still getting scored, but it's got nothing on the performance, man. Performance button on this is just crazy. The exhaust sound is more deeper compared to dynamic. Allahumma barik, this car is unbelievable, man. Because it's so low down, I feel like I'm sat on the floor. Few pops. We have a tunnel coming. Are you ready? Off the limiter in manuals. By far, this has to be the best car we've got on the channel. Them 600 horses are just absolutely yanking you. Oh my god, can you feel every single one of those mighty big 602 horses? It's planted, very agile. Has my ratings gone up for Audi? Yes, they have. Listen, I'm be straight up honest with you. It's an absolute belter, this car, man. Oh, it slammed the head right back. listen, don't mind me for not speaking much, guys. I don't know what to say, man. The V10's making all the noise, and that's the only noise we want to be hearing. That's it. I'm not going to launch it just here, but I just want you to hear this, guys. Just listen to the overall. Machine gun. Oh, Audi, take a bow. Absolute belter of a car, man. I love it. Audi R8, I love you. I bet all you Audi fans are buzzing at you. You must be there thinking, this guy says this about Audi, that about Audi, look at him now. Obviously, as I am a BMW man, I still am going to stay with them and keep my loyalties with them, but I can appreciate a good car, and this is not a good, forget a good car, this is a fantastic car, man. And you guys hold that crown for having a supercar. BMW, we don't. The i8, listen, it's absolute shit. I'll tell you straight, this is a proper toy, man, proper weapon of mass destruction. Guys, I think that just about concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.